Hi, I'm Tyler with TC Brothers, and I'm here to talk to you today about billet aluminum intake manifolds for XS650 motorcycles. If you're looking to install Mikuni VM round slide carburetors on your Yamaha XS650, I highly recommend the use of a billet aluminum intake manifold. Sure, it is possible to use 34mm rubber overmolded intakes that come stock on your bike and install those same carburetors, but they're going to give you problems, and it's just a matter of when it happens. The reason that they fail is because these intakes were never designed to support the weight of a carburetor without the additional support of the factory air box holding the rear of the carburetor. Most people that put VM round slide carbs on their XS650 use a clamp-on style air filter that doesn't support the carburetor and actually puts the entire weight hanging suspended, and as the bike vibrates, typically the stock manifold will separate from the metal flange and then leak air into your engine, causing a lean condition. The nice thing about a billet aluminum intake manifold is the spigot and the flange are all one piece of billet aluminum, which is much stronger than rubber, and the face of the carburetor actually seats directly against the metal face of the intake, which causes the carburetor to move less than what it would on a rubber intake. The hose that causes the intake to seal to the carburetor slides over the spigot of the intake manifold and over the carburetor, and is hose clamped on both sides for a nice secure fit. Even if the hose should ever fail you, they're very inexpensive and very easy to replace. A nice feature about these as well is all surfaces of these are machined perfectly flat for a nice seal, and the spigot length of the billet aluminum intake is actually a little longer than stock to allow more time for your fuel mixture to atomize and provides better performance. If you have any questions, you want to find out more information about these or even purchase carburetors or any of the other products that we sell, you can visit our website, tcbros.com.